Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like always. You found do it yourself, do it right. And well, I got my Ford hat on because I wanted to do Ford things with the Mustang. Because I'm in balmy, sweaty, humid Georgia. Yeah, I got caught up in that debacle with the airlines over the last 3 days. That's a different story, but I'm standing in front of two Subarus. Not one, but two Subaru Outbacks. And well, one of them needs a headlight. So let's get into it. Two Subarus? Well, because, you know, my girlfriend, she really loves the Outback. And she bought this one first. It's older. And she just bought that one, which is a 2024. You know, she's fancy pants. She ordered it. And she doesn't want to, you know, own up to the fact that... anyways, let's get to the headlight. So, headlight you're going to need is an H11. Now, this is the cheapest one because, you know, my girlfriend and I were both cheap. So, hood is popped. Let me show you where to go to change this headlight. All right, don't mind the mess underneath the hood. I'll clean it up when I'm done. But depending on what side your headlight is out, which side headlight is out, yeah, obviously one here. And then your other one is over here. You know, I'm doing this on my phone. I don't have my GoPro, obviously. So, these suckers are pretty easy to get out. They're just a quarter turn. Just reach down in here, turn it, whatever which way, and your headlight comes out. Now the fun part. Don't get your hands in the battery acid that's leaking out of the battery.
No shit, Sherlock.
Now the fun part is popping the bulb out. There's like a little thing you got to depress, and then it should just slide right out. It's probably not gonna work one-handed, maybe. Gonna have to use two hands. The way you do this is you just push on the end and then pop out. The new one goes in the same way. Just slide it in. You'll hear a click. And, you know, it's locked in there. And you just put it back in the hole. Quarter turn. It'll latch in. You'll hear a click. Turn the car on. Make sure your light works. And you're done. Click. There you go, folks. That's all there is to changing a headlight bulb on a Subaru Outback. This is a 2014. Really simple. I mean, there's no reason to take the car to a garage to have them change your headlight bulb. Super, super easy. So, if you're a Subaru owner, obviously you're our Subaru owner if you're watching this video, you know, tune in maybe a couple of months, because the girlfriend and I, we're going to do a comparison video between her new one and her old one. So, you know, get ready for that. That's going to be, you know, that's going to be something. So, like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like always, till next time, thanks a lot.